How to fix this experience is unavailable because its starting place is unpublished in Roblox. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. It is much more simple than you think. Firstly, type in create.roblox.com. In your Creator Hub, tap in the dashboard from at the top of the screen. From here, select on Creations and head over to Experience. At the bottom, you will see your place. If you hover on it, you will find a pencil icon, tap on it, and it will redirect you to the Roblox studio. This is how your studio will look like. Now to publish your place, it is pretty simple. All you have to do is simply click on the file option at the top, then select on Publish in Roblox. Once you click on it, your place will be published in Roblox. You can also name it as whatever you want by tapping on Publish to Roblox as and rename it as you wish. And wasn't it simple? Make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and if you need further assistance, you can check out the help and support of Roblox. It's a wrap for the video. Thank you so much for tuning in.